Le dáchas an ein gúna gemichan Olympicach, thosaithe humor te Katy Winton a bhís a díanú rárach beinne, cáladí rárach na ALBA.
It's actually quite a sort of pivotal moment in my life, and I was 13 years old and we were like between moving houses, so I was actually staying in my granny's house, and I just got onto the Scottish cycling talent team program, and the coach had come round and he was having a chat with me. He was talking to me about training things, and he was like, you could go to the Commonwealth Games or the Olympics if you want. And I was like, oh man, yes. So like from that day on, that was kind of my mission, and through various different paths I'm now just doing it as my job. But that was quite a big moment for me, just to be like, okay, it's on, let's do it. It was an incredible opportunity because it really taught me discipline, and it taught me how to lose, it taught me how to win, and it gave me some structure out with school, which was really good, and just having that sort of bigger goal to be working towards was really good for me, I feel, as a person.
Le buaigh pandemic, ba dubh Katy úrasach ein sa bliana dábíle is fichit. Smar sin son an thésanat ba aichidí dáibhúneachach éile a lorach I hain.
So at the end of 2020, my contract was up, and a lot of sport people and a lot of different jobs will have contracts, and then they're up and you need to find your next, for us it's the next team. And that all just was a bit of mistiming because it was at the end of 2020. There was a lot of uncertainty within the industry because they weren't sure about what was going to happen with COVID. Was racing going to happen? Was it not going to happen? Do we want to invest in a team or not invest in a team? It was quite late when I found out that I wasn't going to be re-signed. And so it was just a sort of perfect storm of bad timing. And so, I then worked away trying to figure out what I was going to do, and managed to get the support of various different sponsors to help me complete the year, including my grandparents, who came on as my first financial sponsor to help me through the year. And so I had a really special year working with some incredible brands and incredible people, putting that together myself, and really having that family vibe was really cool.
Ha Katy mochtá go dúdí hadis it na knappen starí sin, agus ha gatchacha grach gra shaun, but a roi smúnichach an spòrs ácal.
Yeah, I'm really proud to have got through that. I could have quit. It would have been the perfect time to go, okay, this is enough. This is too much. It's really out of balance. It's not fun anymore. This is just really hard, and it's not worth it. I'm going to go and try and do something else. And so to, hold fast and stay so focused on what it was that I was trying to achieve and where I was trying to go, and to pull it off. Wow. I didn't even know that was going to happen. I had no prediction, but I just was like, wow, let's prove to myself, and I hope other people that, find out about the story can put it into their own lives. Like, even when everything is falling apart and there's nothing to say that this is ever going to work out, or any way that it's going to work out, if you just keep looking where you want to go and keep chipping away and keep working, you can get there.
Thosaigh an rothaiche channel YouTube, go seiltain do gúnéile na rútan a bhíos I a Giano, agus is an taichhors do rothaiche néile, gonna bhí a fúling leis na hún sórsa triplachin a bhaichte hain.
It came around because I wanted to make sure I was never in this situation ever again. And also to share the story to help other riders not feel alone, but also raise the awareness of like, don't end up in this situation. Make sure you have these conversations with your team way earlier, and as a rider, really make a point of going, no, I need to know, for myself, what's going on if this isn't going to happen. Because a lot of the time as riders, we feel like we can't say too much because we don't want to get dropped. So you don't want to push the boat. It's a kind of weird little balance. So I started a YouTube channel because I wanted to share the story and share the journey, and build a following and build an audience that kind of held me up if my results weren't quite there as well. Because in our sport, yes, results are important, and performing at the top level is really important, but also we're here to sell bikes. And so by having the YouTube channel and sharing the experience is another way of kind of saying bikes are great, basically. So.
Ha Katy a coite dort go mór leis an ná héan, agus ha nist a gamas I a hiadáte I gléir.
I'm excited. I've got a team. Last year I didn't have the support of a team, so it was a lot harder. So this year I've got a great opportunity to be working with a team and have all the support I need to give my absolute best, and that's exciting. We've gone all over the world. Like, we've been to Chile and Argentina and Colombia and all over Europe, America, Canada. We've been to New Zealand and Australia. Like, that alone is incredible, to race and ride your bike in so many different locations, and to be racing against the best in the world. You can't beat that, really. When I look back, it's all I've ever known and it's all I've ever wanted to do, and here I am just doing it. So I think there's been ups and downs and highs and lows and a roller coaster, as with any life, but I've been able to live life the way I want to. And so, yeah, to stand on that top step, that's one thing I haven't ticked off yet, and that's all eyes are on that next. It would mean so much to me to do that, like, especially for 14-year-old me, you know. I'd do it for her. We did it! It's taken us 15 years, but we've done it.